One take, do my doubles in the emphasis. Beast in the game, reminiscing on Sega Genesis. You feel my aura when my feet hit the premises. I slip the molly in the nutcracker of my nemesis. Chick smashing, I do it for the fashion. Down with OPP, cause I grew up a horny bastard. Naughty by nature, a freak for this paper. You ain't talking about the paper, then I'm speaking to you later. Hope I get dough? Well I do too. I'm worth $1 million, baby, like I'm IV Blue. Somebody tell that Brit chick, I don't give a fuck, I'm married to a rich chick. I got my own sound, and she a known clown who can't even get love in her own hometown. So how the fuck you try to play Chris? You fucking niggas, but they be on that gay shit. Prune juice, you think you the shit, cause I ain't never seen a hoe with a fat ass dick. I get guap by the century. You like some movie? Mine's a documentary. Used to hoop dream, I make the coupe lean. Car colored hot wings, you can tell I blow cheese. No snapback, a nigga rock fitted caps. Mice in the kitchen stuck to the sticky trap. In the VIP with the top model, trying to penetrate a bitch with some rock bottles. Mo bottles, green Mo bottles, and I don't plan on sharing shit, I drank the whole bottle. Your mama sucking on my 9-piece. Try me, got me popping off the IBs. OD, motherfuckers think they know me. Cold feet, but I never scored a TD. See me, your mama sucking on my 9-piece. Try me, got me popping off the IBs. OD, motherfuckers think they know me. Cold feet, but I never scored a TD. See me. So what if it's written? I bust ass from my rough drafts. Ice cut glass, you nut fast when you fuck ass. Solo artist with no label affiliation. See, I don't gotta have a dude to feel I really made it. Touch titties, play like Tipsy. Used to hustle like Nipsey just to keep the kicks crispy. You think it's pimpin' how my game's so potent? Suspending since niggas riding trains using tokens. Middle school, you was dancing to a jerk. I was in the math class writing till my hands hurt. And these niggas be the nonsense. Social sites, leave a lot of comments. You the nigga with the bedtime. Hungry for the cheese, but you got the fed time. And y'all niggas be a swag jocker. Put a bitch in your life, you nigga bad copper. Getting jealous when I'm major, all up in the Kool-Aid, don't even know the flavor. Two bits for the lyricist lounge. Listen closely, this is how the lyricist sound. Carrots Chris, real shit, king of the back room. Go and get tough, I suck it up like a vacuum. I'm the shit, I belong in the bathroom. And you know I got you open like a black moon. Into X now, Aisha got me stressed out. When I leave school, she feeling like she left out. Get with the program like you was Lindsay Lohan. My girls at the crib thinking about me playing slow. Your mama sucking on my 9-piece. Try me, got me popping off the IBs. OD, motherfuckers think they know me. Cold feet, but I never scored a TD. See me, your mama sucking on my 9-piece. Try me, got me popping off the IBs. OD, motherfuckers think they know me. Cold feet, but I never scored a TD. See me, your mama sucking on my 9-piece. Try me, got me popping off the IBs. OD, motherfuckers think they know me. Cold feet, but I never scored a TD. See me, your mama sucking on my 9-piece. Try me, got me popping off the IBs. OD, motherfuckers think they know me. Cold feet, but I never scored a TD. See me.
Y'all good?